Hello, we're at 19C Friars, Vennel. This is a first floor flat. It's in a block of 5 units. It's accessed from the car park round the rear at the back of Friars, Vennel, up a flight of stairs and then in to the building and up a further flight of stairs, and you come into this flat. Now this flat has just been refurbished, so we've got new carpets down, we've got refreshed painting on all the walls. We've got people in currently working, so if you hear a bang or a drill in a second, it's just we're finishing off. Okay, so we're in the living room, kitchen here, plenty of space in here for sofa and chairs, television, etc. And we've got a kitchen with wall and base units in white. We've got a ceramic hob electric oven, so new oven, that one. Chimney style extractor over, and you've got the stainless steel sink and drainer, and you can see here this is your peninsula unit which separates you from the living space. There's a little bit of space there, under counter space for a washing machine, and there's plumbing too. So that's our living room. This is a 1-bed one, so we're going to show you that now. It's a double, as you might expect. Again, new carpets down, all freshly painted. Some really useful and deep storage space here. So you've got opportunity to hang clothes, put in your shoes and coats, hoovers, etc. So plenty of room there for you to do storage, plenty of room for a double bed. And that looks out to the rear in the car park. There is an allocated parking there, first come, first served basis. So that's our bedroom. Here's the hallway. We're still just fitting carpets out on the access area, so I'll just step out into it just to give you a wee bit of an idea. You're coming up the stairs here onto the first floor of this building. There's a second floor above us, and this is 19C here. And this is the bathroom. So we've got a panel bath, low level WC, pedestal wash hand basin, and we've got a thermostatic controlled shower. And nice new shower panels have been installed in here. So the facilities here, the utilities, should I say, it's all electric, there's no gas, so that keeps your bills down. And as we say, it's just off Friars, Vennel, 1 floor up. I'll give you a little clue and a little idea looking out from the front of the property. So now available to view with hunters. If you're interested, do please get in touch.